Looking for a husband, you need to wake up.
Oh! First off, I got food stamps.
Hide your nigga because I might take him, period. I'm getting ready to go get my hair braided, and I just got out the shower. But y'all, you know when you finna be dead close to people, you wanna always smell good. So to get into what I'm trying to get into, I got these on. I want to shout out to Dossier for sponsoring this video. Y'all already know they love me. They always sending me the good stuff. So they sent your girl three perfumes. So if y'all don't know who Dossier is the company who make replicas of your favorite perfume, from YSL to Dossier and Cabana. Oh, this is Floral Peony. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. And it's supposed to smell like Chloe. So let's see. Oh, that smells good. That's, you know, you gotta. Oh, this smells so good. This is the Chloe. It smells so good. And y'all know I mix my scents. So let's see what this one is right here. This is My Way, Gia George Armani. Read it, just read it. I ain't got time, just read it. That's what it is right there, My Way. And this is Fruity, just read it, honey. Fruited it. Yes, and another thing I love about Dossier, they tops is magnet. So I can't stand going to people's house and they still ain't got no tops. They just so good out of me. Oh, this My Way hidden. Girl, you gotta put this everywhere. This is hidden. Oh my god, that smells so good. But shout out to Dossier, y'all, for sponsoring me. And I've been working with them. When I say every month. When I say I don't buy no perfume no more, this is all I wear. So if y'all sleeping on them, baby, you need to wake up. You need to wake up. If you single and you looking for a husband, you need to wake up. Cause this why you ain't got there, cause you ain't smelling good. You gotta be smelling good at all time. And you're not gonna spend no more than $39. I think the highest one they have $49. So it run from $29, $39, $49. If you can't smell good like that, I'm trying to figure out why you here. Cause you can smell good on a budget. Stop playing. But shout out to Dossier for sponsoring this video. Y'all already know my discount code is in the description box. When I get some, y'all get some. So be sure to check out the description box. Be sure to check out Dossier page. Like, go on there and look for what you want. 9 times out of 10, they got the scent you looking for. And for the men, they also have cologne. And for the candle lovers like me, they have candles too. So shout out to them. Baby, go shop. Stop playing. But shout out to Dossier for sponsoring this video, y'all. And watch me go get my hair done. Bye. Oh, I feel like I ain't vlogged in like a long time. But hey y'all, so this gonna be like a maintenance. Is it maintenance? Well, I'm getting my hair done today and I haven't did a wash day routine in like so long. And y'all look at my hair. Oh! Like, when I say my hair, I be going like I ain't gonna lie, I be going months without washing my hair. It might sound nasty to y'all, but my hair don't fall out or nothing like that. I don't know, I just be going months without washing my hair. So I'm finna get soft lock. I had soft locks before, but I had like 30 inches. I went to a beauty supply store that I normally don't go to for this type of stuff, but I ain't feel like driving all the way to where I usually go. So I have the Bobby Boss New Locks extra long 36-inch color 1. And y'all, if y'all know, I had these before and they was long. So 36 is really gonna be long. So, but right now I'm finna just washing my hair. I was gonna let Bone silk press my hair, cause y'all know it is winter time and it just skipped fall and went straight to winter. I don't be wanting to wake up early, so I said, nah, I'm gonna get that later. I'm just gonna get my hair braided so I can start sleeping in and get up at the last minute. My hair appointment is 4. It's 11:19. So I'm finna get ready and set up to do y'all a wash day routine, which I haven't done in a long time. So I hope y'all enjoy this content. Like I'm trying to go back into the content that y'all used to, you know, seeing like. And I think y'all gonna enjoy this. But hold on, y'all. Cause McDonald's got the strawberry cream pie back again. When I say fire, baby, look at it. Look at it. Hold on. Let me show y'all the layers of deliciousness that's in here. Stop playing. Fire. Ooh, that's just so good to the heart. It's just good. You know you got certain things in your life that's just good to your soul. Ooh. So good. Enjoy this wash day. Enjoy the aesthetic music, because I ain't gonna do all that talking. So, bye.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that you can your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody.
I can stand up for this part because I ain't gonna lie. I leg hurt, but I'm just about to put some hair mayonnaise in my hair. And I washed it twice because it's gonna be braided up. So I just wanted to make sure, you know, it's good and clean. I don't want my scalp dirty. Yeah, and this ain't no, what you call it? I'm not a professional shampoo hair. So don't be in my comments, ooh, you did that wrong with it. Oh, girl, I thought it was something out there. But I was saying, girl, my mind be going everywhere. Told y'all I ain't washed my hair in months. I be putting my hair mayonnaise on my ends because that's the old part of your hair. Well, I be hearing people say they do that, but your hair grow from the roots. You should put it on there too. Ooh. Put a little water. This ain't your usual wash day routine. Yeah, see that? Oh, you gotta get a little rough. There we go. Man, it's easy to glide through. Ooh. Okay, y'all can see the difference. This side is not detangled. This side is detangled. Stop playing. Like, this how much hair. Yeah, no, it ain't that much because like I said, my hair ain't been washed in months. My hair don't be itching or nothing, so I don't be washing it. I ain't gonna lie to you. When I first started the natural thing, I was with the little do this, do that, do that. But baby, I do what's good for my hair.
What I can have your nigga.
I'm gonna go out that way to expose a man before
a man go out that way to expose a woman.
So this is my hair fully detangled, and this all the hair that came out. You can come in and put.
I like to come in.
This all the hair that came out. And again, I'm not one of them people who wash my hair every week. My hair haven't been washed in months. So yeah.
She thought she was getting it afterwards.
Say hi to this. Don't come in here and I speak to my people.
I didn't want to interrupt your vlog. See, I was just trying to be discreet. Hey y'all, so Destiny and Sedenta. I'll be cooking it.
Do you think this is a lot of hair for a wash day?
Not really. You lose about 100 strands a day.
Yeah, my hair ain't been washed in months.
Your hair looks similar to mine when it's wet, but not when it's dry.
Listen, my hair is nothing like this stuff on your head.
I ain't combed my hair today.
Okay, so I'm finna rinse this out, and I'm glad Destiny right here because she can give y'all a better angle.
That's what I really like about social media. People don't enjoy content no more. They just criticize it.
Yeah, I'm just waiting to get my hair done. This is my hair now. Your girl finna be a baddie. Stop playing. Give me about an hour because my girl braid fast. So yeah, in an hour I'm gonna be a baddie. Stop playing. Hide your nigga because I might take him, period. That's the energy I'm on there, period. Let's go.
They was talking about like water and the type of water they like, and I'm like, what's this water? First off, I got food stamps. I was not gonna spend cash on it. So shoot, I take that even water. It's like $14 for the big bottle. As long as they give me stamps, I'm gonna drink water to the end.
We talk about water, y'all. She said she could tell I don't drink water by my scalp. This bitch be hard. Oh, I'll be like, do I want to drink or water? I'm choosing to drink.
And don't let you be craving something with
man.
Like ice. Woohoo!
I be trying.
Skirt all niggas, skirt up all niggas, skirt down, you acting like me, acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said,
stop playing. Yeah, y'all see it.
summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well.
Okay, y'all, so since the last time y'all saw me, I was getting my hair done, but this the final results. This my final look. Check out the hair, 36 inches, yes, period. Shout out to my girl Shantrell. Yeah, if you ain't booking, then you don't need to be looking, period. Cause book her, book the look, stop playing. She put me through it though. Ooh, my hair look good. But yeah, that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We're about to be lit, y'all. I'm excited, but I am rambling. Bye, y'all.